Hi friends, the Xiaomi has going to launch the Crowdfunds of Xiaomi Crowdfunds High Plus. So in this video we'll see the specs. The display has the 1.78 inches AMOLED Super Retina display, which has the Apple Watch Series 7 display is going to launch in this, and they have 100 sports modes wearable, and the weight is 30 gram guys. So it is weight really management, and the resolution is very good. We can see the same resolution of the Apple Watch Series 7. So it will be the big competition for the Apple Watch Series 7 guys. The battery will be long last for around 21 days itself, which has the more capacity battery, and it will charge in 1 hour. It has the quick charging support of this Xiaomi Crowdfunds. So guys, we can expect more in this, but the details very less. This price will be around $62 guys, very cheap. We can say $62 you can buy this smartwatch for very super. So display is very good. So guys, I will update the everything whatever is launched. Thank you for watching the guys.